What if I told you Toothless might actually be the reason Hiccup lost his leg? In the final moments of How to Train Your Dragon, Hiccup is thrown from the sky as the Red Death explodes behind him. Toothless dives after him with everything he has. When the smoke settles, Stoic finds them, alive but not unchanged. Hiccup's missing a leg. Most fans believe it was the blast that caused it, but if you really look, the flames hit Hiccup's upper body, his chest and face first. So how is it that only his leg is gone? That's when I started thinking, what if Toothless grabbed Hiccup by the leg? Maybe it was the only part of him he could reach during the fall. And in the chaos, what if he held on too tight or bit down just to save his life? As dark as it sounds, it might have been the only way to keep him from dying. And here's the wild part. Earlier in the story, Hiccup injures Toothless's tail, costing him his ability to fly alone. By the end, Hiccup gives up a piece of himself too.